Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to a cleaning video. It's been a while since I've done a video like this. Lately I've been just focused on vlog style cleaning motivation, or basically just, I think I would just say vlogs. Vlogs are a lot easier to edit compared to these type of videos. These videos involve lots of camera movements, getting the video from like angles from different directions, and then also the voiceover part. Oh my god, the voiceover part is just too much. And when you got kids, you have to wait until they go to sleep or until they're not at home, or they're like, because my background will be so noisy sometimes. Like, sometimes I wait until my kids go to sleep so that way I can do a voiceover or something, but it takes them, some nights it takes them a while to go to sleep, so I fall asleep. But anyways, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name is Shamsa, and here on my channel you'll find tons of videos on cleaning motivation and motherhood and lifestyle vlogs. If you are in need of some more cleaning, I'll have a link of my playlist, my cleaning playlist, in the description, so be sure to check it out. Please don't forget to tap that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so that way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and comment down below, because your interactions help my channel to be discovered by more people like you. So I'm moving on to the mirror, and as you guys know, if you have been on my channel, if you've been following me, you know I love using the spray away spray to wipe down the mirrors. It just leaves no streaks, smells great, and it's just so crisp clean. That's what it does. But guys, I also wanted to talk to you guys, just kind of chit chat with you guys throughout this whole video. But how are you guys doing? How are you? How is life? Are you working? Are you a stay-at-home mom? How's it going? Because right now the timing has changed. Like, we're in winter now, so the winter season has started. For some people it has already started snowing. Like my mom, she lives up north and the northeast, and they already had their first snow. Wow. It's cold here in Texas. Like it gets like cold sometimes, but sometimes we go up to 69 and 70 degrees out here, but it's all right, you know. But no snow. No snow so far, and we don't want snow. Like a little dusting would be okay, but not like snow. But anyways, as for me, my life, alhamdulillah, I am trying to balance being a mom and also work. I'm still working on it. And I shared that here on my channel that I recently started a job. It is going great. I'm adjusting to my work. I just have to figure out where different things are, like in what aisle they are in, because sometimes the customer asks me when they can't find something, hey, do you know where I can find so and so, and I'm just like, I'm new here. It's been almost a month. I think I should know where some things are, but I'm still trying to learn that. But as for my life as being a mom and a YouTuber and a working mom, is just, I don't know. On like right now is the winter season, so my kids school has lots of activities going on, so they're very busy. My son has a winter concert coming up. He plays in the orchestra, and they've just been so busy, but hopefully soon they'll be on their Christmas break and we don't have to deal with anything until next year, inshallah. I just want to talk a little bit about YouTube on here. As far as YouTube, I am debating for my channel. I am debating whether I should keep on going and post more videos or whether I should just quit, like quit YouTube and just focus on my life. I am thinking about going back to school soon, inshallah, if everything works out. I do want to complete my degree. I have an associate degree in social work, but I would like to continue and complete my degree because these jobs that I'm getting are not cutting it for me. I need a better paying jobs, and in order to do that, I feel like getting a good education will help. Um, because right now it is a struggle, even though like we're a two-parent household, like, and both of us work. My husband works full-time and I work part-time. It's still hard to, manage everything, and I feel like it is up to me to sacrifice to sacrifice and go back to school, because I always felt like I'm too old to go back to school. I completed my associate's degree when I was in my 20s. Right now, I'm in my 30s. And I feel like if I were to go back to school, I will be too old. But I have a lot of people like that have been encouraging me to go back to school and just set a good example for my children, because in order to reach a higher level, you have to sacrifice some things, and that would be um, the time that I spend. Like basically, I don't do much other than my job. Like I work 3 days, and the rest of the other days, yeah, the rest of the four other days, I'm doing nothing other than dropping off and picking up my kids from school, going to appointments and stuff. I feel like if I were to take 2 to 3 classes, I would be fine. But honestly, school is something that I am thinking about very much. And as for YouTube, I just wanna like, I thought like YouTube, serious, this might be funny to some people, but when I started YouTube, I thought like my channel would like blow up. I would be having lots and lots of subscribers, lots of views, and all this. I would be making money on YouTube. That's what I thought, but in reality, that's not what's happening. This is my second channel here on YouTube. The first one I had to cancel it because it wasn't getting lots of views, and this is my second one. The same thing is happening again. At this point, I feel like I'm getting shadow banned because lately I've been uploading YouTube shorts and they're not even getting any views. Like, YouTube shorts are the easiest. They blow up real quick, like, but I don't know what's happening. I've been uploading videos and I have 500 currently. I have 531 subscribers on here. I barely get anything close to that. Like, where are they? Where are the subscribers? I feel like most of the subscribers that I have are bots. I don't know. If there are bots, then YouTube should take care of it and get rid of them. Like, because I honestly feel like, okay, I have this much subscribers, I should be getting this certain type of views, certain numbers of views, and I don't get that. So, but anyways, quitting YouTube is something I am debating about. My kids, they're like motivating me to keep going and keep posting, but honestly, I just feel so down because I take time away from them to edit these videos and put them out there on YouTube. Like, I make the videos, like vlog and all this stuff, and then I have to edit them, which is taking time away from my children. Like, and then I pray and hope for that they get views, and they end up not even getting past 20, or if I'm lucky, or 10 views. So that is something that I'm debating about. But how are you guys doing? How is life? Leave me a comment down in the comment section. I love chatting with you guys. So guys, if you guys have any suggestions for me on like how to grow my YouTube channel, or how to just get it out there, because my videos are not getting out there. I don't even know what days to upload, because there's a place like called YouTube Analytics, and it lets you know like which days are good, like which days your subscribers are mostly on YouTube, what time, and all that stuff, blah blah blah. I have looked into that, and I don't even have enough, what is that called, views or viewers to even get that type of suggestions. But if you're a YouTuber and you have any tips or any tricks for me, please leave it for me in the comment section, or you can simply contact me over on my Instagram page. My Instagram page handle is Shamsa_blessed, and I'll have it in the description also. I would greatly appreciate it. Please leave me a comment in the comment section for any suggestions, like on content, like if you would like to see different type of content and what that might be, or should I just keep going with this one. I will look into your suggestions, comment down below. And when you guys comment under my videos, it really helps to push my videos out there more. So comment anything, a supportive message or something like that, because as of right now, your girl is going through it. Like, it's just I am on whether to click on that delete channel button or keep going. So please, any supportive advices would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching today's video. The video is coming to an end. If you're not subscribed and you made it all the way here, I hope that you would consider to subscribe. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my other video.